From colorful paper plate masks to enchanting DIY wind chimes, these hands-on projects will inspire young artists to unleash their creativity and embark on exciting artistic adventures. Whether they're sculpting with Play-Doh or designing their own t-shirts, these fun and engaging activities are sure to ignite the spark of creativity in every child. Get ready to dive into a world of colors, textures, and endless possibilities as we explore the best crafts and art projects to keep kids entertained and inspired. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Paper plate masks. Paper plate masks are a delightful arts and crafts activity that sparks the imagination of children. With just a few simple materials like paper plates, markers, paints, and craft supplies, kids can transform plain paper plates into extraordinary masks of their choosing. From becoming their favorite animals to stepping into the shoes of mighty superheroes or creating whimsical characters from their imagination, the possibilities are endless. This hands-on activity not only allows children to express their creativity, but also enhances their fine motor skills and storytelling abilities as they play and engage in imaginative role-playing adventures. Whether it's a fierce lion, a magical unicorn, or a brave knight, the joy of wearing their own handcrafted paper plate masks will leave children beaming with pride. Number 9. Nature College. Nature College is a wonderful arts and crafts activity that connects children with the beauty of the natural world. Taking a nature walk outdoors, kids can collect an assortment of leaves, flowers, twigs, and other interesting natural materials. Back inside, armed with glue and a canvas or a sturdy piece of paper, they can let their creativity flow as they arrange and paste their collected treasures to create a stunning nature collage. This activity not only encourages children to explore and appreciate the environment around them, but also fosters their artistic expression and eye for design. As they piece together their collage, they can discover patterns, colors, and textures found in nature, turning their masterpiece into a visual celebration of the world's wonders. Nature College is a delightful way for children to celebrate the beauty of the outdoors and express their connection with nature through art. Number 8. Popsicle Stick Puppets. Popsicle stick puppets are a delightful and interactive arts and crafts activity that sparks the imaginations of children. With a handful of popsicle sticks, markers, and construction paper, kids can create their very own puppets. From animals and people to mythical creatures, the possibilities for puppet characters are endless. As they design and decorate their puppets, children can let their creativity soar, giving each puppet a unique personality and look. Once the puppets are ready, kids can put on puppet shows, bringing their characters to life and weaving imaginative tales. This fun and engaging activity not only promotes artistic expression, but also nurtures storytelling skills and boosts confidence as children play and communicate through their self-made puppets. Popsicle stick puppets are a fantastic way for kids to express themselves creatively and enjoy hours of playtime fun. Number 7. DIY wind chimes. Creating DIY wind chimes is a delightful arts and crafts activity that combines creativity and musicality. Using a variety of materials such as seashells, beads, metal or wooden pieces, and colorful strings or ribbons, children can design and assemble their own personalized wind chimes. As they carefully select and arrange the materials, kids can explore different combinations of sounds and experiment with the chimes' melodies. Once the wind chimes are complete, they can be hung in the garden or on the patio, adding a whimsical touch to outdoor spaces while creating soothing and harmonious tunes as the wind blows. DIY wind chimes not only encourage artistic expression, but also introduce children to the world of music and provide a sense of accomplishment as they witness their creations dance and sing with the breeze. Number 6. Sock puppets. Sock puppets are a delightful and imaginative arts and crafts activity that brings old socks to life in a whole new way. With some simple materials like buttons, felt, yarn, and googly eyes, children can transform ordinary socks into adorable and quirky puppets. Whether they create animals, people, or imaginative characters, each sock puppet becomes a unique and lovable companion. As kids design the faces and features of their puppets, they can let their creativity run wild, giving each puppet its own personality and charm. Once the sock puppets are ready, kids can put on puppet shows, using their voices and storytelling skills to entertain family and friends. This fun and interactive activity not only fosters artistic expression, but also encourages imaginative play and boosts confidence as children step into the role of puppeteers. Sock puppets are a fantastic way for kids to unleash their creativity and embark on endless adventures through the power of storytelling. Number 5. Watercolor resist painting. Watercolor resist painting is a captivating and magical arts and crafts technique that brings out stunning and unique creations. Using a white crayon or oil pastel, children can draw intricate designs or patterns on a piece of paper. Then, they can apply watercolors over the entire paper, covering the crayon markings. The wax in the crayon resists the watercolor paint, creating a striking effect as the colors reveal the hidden designs underneath. This mesmerizing process sparks creativity and surprises young artists with each stroke of the brush. Watercolor resist painting not only allows children to experiment with colors and textures, but also fosters patience and attention to detail as they uncover their masterpieces. The joy of watching the vibrant colors emerge against the resist patterns adds an element of wonder and delight to this enchanting artistic adventure. Number 4. Friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets are a heartwarming and meaningful arts and crafts activity that celebrates the bond of friendship. Using colorful embroidery floss or yarn, kids can create beautiful and intricate bracelets for themselves and their friends. Whether they choose simple patterns or more complex designs, each bracelet becomes a symbol of connection and affection. As they weave and knot the threads, children can pour their love and care into each bracelet, making them thoughtful gifts to cherish. Friendship bracelets not only promote creativity and fine motor skills, but also teach kids the value of friendship and the joy of giving. Exchanging these handmade tokens of friendship creates lasting memories and strengthens the special bonds shared between friends. Number 3. DIY slime. DIY slime is a fun and sensory-filled arts and crafts activity that kids absolutely love. Using a few simple ingredients like glue, borax or contact lens solution, and food coloring, children can create their very own squishy, stretchy, and colorful slime. The process of mixing and kneading the ingredients together is not only entertaining, but also provides a great sensory experience. Kids can experiment with different colors and textures, adding glitter or small beads to create their customized slime. DIY slime is not only a creative outlet, but also a stress-relieving activity, as children enjoy the satisfying sensation of squishing and stretching the slime between their fingers. This hands-on activity encourages curiosity and experimentation while allowing children to explore the properties of different materials. Whether it's a gooey galaxy-themed slime or a sparkling unicorn slime, the possibilities are endless, and kids will have a blast as they make and play with their own unique slime creations. Number 2. Decorate your own t-shirt. Decorating your own t-shirt is a fantastic and expressive arts and crafts activity that lets kids become their own fashion designers. Armed with plain white t-shirts and fabric markers, children can unleash their creativity and design personalized shirts that reflect their unique style and interests. From drawing their favorite characters and doodles to writing empowering messages or quotes, the possibilities are limitless. Decorating t-shirts not only encourages artistic expression, but also boosts confidence as kids proudly wear their self-designed masterpieces. This hands-on activity allows children to showcase their individuality and take pride in their creations. Whether they wear their custom t-shirts for special occasions or as everyday fashion statements, each shirt becomes a wearable canvas that speaks volumes about their personality and creativity. Decorating your own t-shirt is a fun and empowering activity that leaves kids with a sense of accomplishment and a fabulous piece of wearable art. Number 1. Play-Doh creations. Play-Doh creations are a colorful and tactile arts and crafts activity that sparks the imagination of children. With homemade or store-bought Play-Doh in an array of vibrant colors, kids can mold, shape, and sculpt their favorite animals, foods, or imaginative creations. The soft and pliable texture of Play-Doh allows young artists to experiment with different forms and designs, providing endless opportunities for creativity. From building a Play-Doh castle to crafting a cute Play-Doh animal, the possibilities are limited only by their imagination. This hands-on activity not only promotes fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, but also nurtures problem-solving abilities as kids figure out how to bring their ideas to life. Play-Doh creations provide hours of fun and entertainment, And the best part is that they can be remodeled and reimagined as many times as kids like, making it a delightful and reusable artistic adventure. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel